Welcome to the Happy Diamond Music Studio audio collection, The Kakamega Rainforest Story, written and recorded by the Happy Diamond Music Studio creative team.
This is the rainforest, a place of beauty and life and contrast. The rainforest. Over half of the Earth's plants and animals live here, even though the rainforests occupy only 2% of the Earth's surface. Rainforests are not just full of life. Rainforests are life. This is my home. The multitude of plant life in the rainforest converts carbon dioxide into oxygen, which all the creatures of the earth breathe. The rainforest also helps control the climate. Truly, without the rainforest, the earth would not be such a wonderful place, full of beauty and life.
Tag, you're it!
Better run!
The rainforest is home to people, as well as animals. Many, such as the Kakamega people, live in harmony with the forest and respect its awe and majesty. In turn, the forest respects them back. The rainforest both needs and gives harmony. It is a delicate balance, full of beauty and even, some might say, magic. Not all people respect the rainforest, however. Our way of life is threatened when destruction is allowed. It's not just our lives that are threatened when the rainforest is destroyed. Every living thing on this planet needs the rainforest, its oxygen, its medicines. But not everyone appreciates this, though some do. Others know they must protect their rainforest home, but...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?